Only not where we are advice, I can get $100. Going out where we are. Who is the DJ? Or JD? What's your name? Levi's song, I will give you $100 just to rewind it. Are you playing from MP3 or from cartridge? I told tomorrow to give me $10 million, let me promote him in America. Because he cannot get American visa, right? Embassy cannot give him visa. I said, give me $10 million, let me promote you. And how about it? You don't come. You hear my music? You say I don't get a job. Now one of my tracks be this, so. It's him on them, be George Okwe. I'm not sure where they are primary school in Enugu. And in the dancing, I was there. You don't come. Industry machine. Buy your shoe, buy your shoe. American shoe seller, buy your shoe. Whether you buy or you don't buy, I'm chilling. Please buy your shoe, buy your shoe. Whether you buy or you don't buy, I'm chilling. Smoking $100 cigarette every day. Okay, that's it, ask your mama. I said, repeat the song, I give you $100. Play big time by Odumo than Whiskey. Play big time. Now this guy no be DJ. Bullshit. Open the Nabago. Tochi. My wife is pregnant in the hospital. Give me $50. Give me 50. My wife is in the hospital since 1 year. The baby don't grow. With baby. The baby said don't get pubic hair.
Now which guy the Holy Ghost your wife won't born?
They see her in the hospital. I couldn't pay the maternity, the delivery fee. He's 6, I'm giving him 50, but you don't have 10. Add 10 for him. He's a good man.
For 50 they buy from you.
I wish I could. I'm losing 100 already. If I sell this shoe, Baba, if I sell this shoe that price, police can arrest me. Say, no, I tell them what I know. I bought a shoe 100 and I said it 30. Police will ask me, what do I know? You understand? Eh?
So the only way you get me this.
No, I get a lot of shoes there. I have more than 10,000 shoes in my warehouse. I'm Nike ambassador, unauthorized. I'm Nike ambassador, unauthorized. I say, give me yam, no green. And they come in your house for evening, you know who I be. Make you there with. No, you know, because I came to your house first, called you from 3 phones, sent you a message, knocked at your window. You say what? In the kitchen, that's why I can't pick my call.
My phone was charging at
You need disrespect. You're not a businessman. The video may never know promote, you have deleted this because I don't do business with people who lack intellect. We make him merry, bro, regardless. So blessed. Too much talent in one. 5 years in depression, I came back better, bro. They thought I was dead. I'm illuminating, bro. 2033 governor of Anambra State, uncontested. But any very means. Men there game, no be mau mau. If I buy a shoe $100 and give you 40, I can go to jail for that. I say, give me 40, I will beg somebody to add 10 for you. I say, good man. I smoke cigarette of $100 every day. That means this $40 is 1 hour cigarette. Put me anywhere in God's given planet Earth, I triple my words, bro. You wanna make money, you wanna be a beggar. Up to you.